Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Bigfun BF 430A1 electronic keyboard. This is basically a musical keyboard. This is aimed primarily at children, but adults can play with it as well. This comes with a microphone. It has 37 keys, 8 tones, 8 rhythms, 6 demos and 4 percussions built into it. And as you can see, this is what it looks like, 37 keys. There's some added features, more or less the same thing that's written on at the top of the box. So I will open this and show you what's inside. These are the components of the box. You have three AA batteries. These are the batteries you use to run this particular device. You also have a micro USB charging cable. There you go, micro USB charging cable to charge this particular device. And so this is the BF 430A1 electronic keyboard. There are 37 keys, as you can see. These are your 8 tones, and there are also 8 rhythms over here. This is T and R as it's written. There are 6 demos. Where are your demos? Yeah, these. Where do you get the demos from? These are your demos. No. These are basically different percussions. These are basically percussion sounds. And where are your demos? I have to figure that out. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, not working right now. There are 2 large speakers over here, by the way, and once again, it's super lightweight. It barely weighs around 100 grams or 200 grams. At the end, you have these two, there are 4 rubber stops actually. The battery goes in over here, but there is also something extra on this end. Let's see what these are. Okay, so this is the mic. This is the mic that you use for when you want to do karaoke or something like that. This is a very tiny mic. It comes with a 3.5mm plug as well. Okay, I cannot insert battery because this is screwed shut, but let's see if I can charge it. On this end you have, as you can see, there's a 3.5mm port for the mic. This is for the micro USB charging cable, and this is sealed, but this you can use as a USB-A port as well. Let me attach it to a power source and see if this actually works very quickly. So let's see if this works. Yeah, seems to be working. And this is the volume. These are the 8 tones in question. Let's see what they are. These are the rhythms. Okay, so there you go. As you can see, these are the rhythms for when you want to play using a rhythm. And not just that, you can control the volume through these buttons and the tempo through these. And these are the 4 demos. Let me click one. So there you go. That was one of them. And this is basically it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Bigfun BF 430A1 electronic keyboard. Thank you for watching.